There goes my helper. All right, YouTube. So Boost Auto sent us some mirrors. Pretty excited about these. These are gonna be looking right. They're 4th gen style mirrors for a 3rd gen. So essentially what that is it's a little bit different style of a mirror. And then you get that bigger kind of fisheye on the side there compared to a 3rd gen style, which has a small fisheye. So they also got running lights and blinkers. And probably the biggest feature is that they power fold. All right, so my helper just got back, chilling there. All right, so these mirrors come with a ton of options. You can get power folding, you can get manual folding. You can get smoked lenses on them lights. You can get a chrome piece, which I have, or just a solid black. So for these LEDs up here, you can get switchback ones. You can get just running lights or just blinkers. I have the switchback one, so essentially what that means is you're gonna have the blinkers and then you're also gonna have the running lights. So the blinkers are gonna be amber and the running lights will be LED white. So the kit comes with everything you need. If you have the power folding, you're gonna get these little modules right here, and that's gonna activate the power folding. And then it also comes with all the wiring as well. Install shouldn't be too bad. We're gonna have to pop the headlights out, obviously pop off the old mirrors, and the door panel as well. And then we're just gonna have to get to wiring everything up. All right, so install, I'm not gonna go too deep in. I'm gonna leave a link in the video on there, like really detailed install, but I will give like a quick little overview. So for this door panel, it's just gonna be a few Phillips and then a 10 mil up under here. All right, so I got the door panel off. Buddy's doing the other side as well. Next step is gonna be popping this mirror off. It's gonna be, is it 10 mil?
3 10 mils.
3 10 mils right here, here, one up here, and then you're gonna have the clip in there. There it is. Boom, just like that. Those are the clips that we're talking about. They kind of hold that mirror in. Out with the old. All right, so that's what it looks like with the mirror off. I'm probably gonna clean that up, even though you'll probably never see it. Now I got 2 layers of tint. Oh well. All right, so we got both sides off. Like I said, take the mirror off at just 3 10 mils, and this plug right here pops right out. Essentially how wiring is gonna work is the wiring for that mirror is gonna run through the door jamb, down through the floor, and then run over to this side. And then we're gonna shoot the wires up under the dash right there. All right, so next time we're gonna do, ooh, look at that. Go ahead and slide those wires on through, and then we're gonna slide these new mirrors on.
Oh, she's in.
All right, take our 10 mil, go ahead and zip these things on in. What's that? Here's our first look.
I need me a set.
All right, we got the second set going on. Fish this little guy through.
Black one. Oh, black.
All right, and of course, my 10 is all the way over there. All right, so we got this passenger side bolted up, looking good. All right, so now that we got the mirrors on, we're gonna hook up the factory harness up to in there. Just gonna take this wire right here, slide it up on through. All right, so now we're gonna take the supplied orange and blue wire, and we're gonna hook it up to here, and then we're gonna run it through here, and out here. This trim's pretty simple. Just popped it with a little trim tool. Rip it on out. Next, we're gonna pop these 2 tabs right here. All right, so we got the trim out. We got this opened up right here. And then we also got the door boot off on both sides. So now we're gonna run our orange and blue wire to here, through the door, through the boot, and out through here. All right, so we got the wire, run through the door, through the boot, out into the cab. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop that hood, get those taillights out, or headlights out. We're gonna finish up on that other side as well. All right, so we're taking his side and we're gonna fish it on through.
There she is.
There she is right there. We're gonna go ahead and pull that on through. All right, get everything wired up. Push it up into the cab. We got our passenger side coming in, and then our driver's side going up through that hole. There's wires right up through there. All right, we're to the headlights. We're gonna pop off these 210s. Then we're gonna pop this one off as well. Woo!
What type of jungle mess is this?
All right, so after a little wiring, we got it loomed up. Coming out from the cab, we got that blue wire because that is our passenger side blinker. And then we got our both orange wires, which are our power running lights. So both should be on, which they are. So we're looking good. All right, so we got our blinkers, at least on the driver's side, hooked up. That's the amber blinker. Obviously going to there. Pretty simple little setup. Got fuses and everything. Try to make it as clean as I could. Hazards. Hazards. Take them back off.
Switch back.
Boom. Back to clears. Just got done with this side right here. Just want to show you. So they got like a little T-tap, slides in, and a fuse. And you just slice that into that wire right there, which is your blinker wire. So, I mean, pretty simple on this side. I just ran one blue wire, and I got it up in this sheathing right here. So I'm gonna tie all that up, of course, but I got it nicely routed down into here. So we'll go ahead and throw this on. This side's working, that side's working. So far, so good. Also, really want to get some new headlights. I'm about sick of these. These are eBay ones. Obviously getting some moisture in there, and it's just time for, I hate all of this, all these adapters, all these resistors. You just got stuff going on left and right. So I got this right here because I was having these lights flicker. So I got all this crap going on. Really would like some new headlights, clean all this stuff. I've been looking at Alpha Rexes, but I just don't want to drop $1,100 on some headlights. So if anybody knows of a good company that makes some good headlights for these third gens, let me know because I'm interested. All right, so we just buttoned up, getting the lights handled for the mirrors. Now we're gonna move on to the inside and go ahead and get this, all these modules in and the wiring for the power folding. All right, so quick little update. We got the wiring hooked up. Essentially, you just splice into these two harnesses right here. I think it was like pin 2 and 4 or something. 3 and 4 right there. And then you do some splicing on that side as well. So, got all those hooked up. Little module right here hooked up. So we're gonna see how that works and make sure all this fits up and works. Alrighty. So we ended up getting the door panels back on. That was probably the trickiest part, was just fitting the wires behind the door panel and getting that module in. I ended up putting the module right about here on the door panel like they did in their instruction video. And I kind of ran the wires up and back up. Clean everything up, and then probably tomorrow I'll do an actual kind of overview of them, how they look and everything. So once again, got caught in the dark. All right, YouTube, it's the next day. I just want to go over these lights real quick. So here they are, fully bolted up, got them wired up and everything. Really digging how the chrome looks on this. Pops real nice. Really liking how they look. I was a little skeptical on the chrome, but I'm glad I did it. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna show y'all how the power fold works. So essentially, when you have these wireless modules, you're just gonna have your setting on the left side, and then you're gonna tap twice, and then down. As you can see, both will close up, and then just press it up, and they'll go back. Overall, install was not that bad. I'd probably say the trickiest thing was just routing all the wires behind the door, getting that module up in there and kind of just getting everything to fit right. But other than that, wires going to the headlights weren't bad at all. Pretty straightforward, so definitely enjoy this kit. Definitely appreciate Boost Auto for sending those to me. I have a link down below for y'all to get y'all's own. And I'll also have the install video for those headlights as well if you want more information on them. Like I was saying, Boost Auto has a ton of different options for them, so you can pick them out however you like them. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you're interested in those mirrors, like I was saying, the link's gonna be down below. Be sure to go check out other products from Boost Auto. Definitely some quality parts. Overall, happy with the mirrors. Great build. They look good. Lights work good. They're nice bright LEDs. Switchback feature works good, and those modules, the power fold works great as well. So a solid mirror choice for these third gens. Definitely brings up the look of the truck as well. So if you're interested, links down below. Also stay tuned for other third gen videos. Like I was saying, I got that Laramie bumper that's gonna get paint matched, and I'll probably paint match a few other things, as well as those injectors coming in. So I'll do videos on both of those. Anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Love reading them. And thanks for watching.